Divide rupees 50752 between Rohit and Rani in such a way that the share of Rohit at the end of 33 years equals that of Rani at the end of 35 years at compound interest 24% per annum. Find the share of Rohit. What is given here? Yes, all of you are giving me the answer as 30752. See, let me assume that if Rohit is getting X rupees, okay, and let us say that Rohit and Rani is getting Y rupees, okay. So Rohit is getting X rupees and Rani is getting Y rupees. Now, what is happening when they are getting this amount respectively? The share of Rohit at the end of 33 years equals the share of Rani at the end of 35 years at compound interest 24% per annum. So what will be the amount that Rohit gets at the end of 33 years in compound interest? It is nothing but X into 1 plus 24 by 100 whole to the power of 33. Now what will be the amount that Rani gets at the end of 35 years in compound interest? It will be nothing but y into 1 plus 24 by 100 whole to the power of 35. Now they are saying this amount is equal, correct? So, or what can I say? I can say X by Y, that is equal to, again this will get cancelled, no, this 33, 35 gets cancelled. So you will have 1 plus 24 by 100 the whole square, or this is 124 by 100 the whole square. So what is 124 by 100 the whole square? Now 124 by 100, 4 will go in both of these numbers, correct? That is 31 by 25. I am simplifying it inside itself so that it's easier. So this is 31 squared is 961 by 625. So now what is given? You know X is to Y is, or I can say X is to Y is 961 by 25. Now what is Rohit's share? So if there is a total of 961 plus 625, out of that Rohit's share is 961 into 50752. So this is the answer that we are looking at. Okay. So when you solve this, you get the answer as 30752. See, the ratio in which the money is split between them is 961 by 625. So if I have a total of 961 plus 625, the percent or the share that Rohit will get will be 961 divided by the total that is there. Correct? Now here how much rupees is being divided? 50752 is being divided. So at this point you will have to do some calculations, but otherwise arriving at this step is easy. Correct answer for this question is option B.